Do I recommend Shopify for starters? The answer is yes and no. Hey, I'm Des. In today's video, we are diving into whether Shopify is the right choice for you if you're just starting an art business or a business in general. And if you're into videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out. Before we dive in, I would like to help you understand what Shopify is because a lot of you are still confused of what Shopify really is. I'm going to explain it in the simplest way possible. Let's say you have products you want to sell, but you don't have a physical store. You don't have a shelf or a booth or a display. So what do? You rent a space where you can organize and show off everything you're selling. That rented space becomes your little store. Shopify is like that rented space, but instead of people walking into a physical shop, they visit your website. Is Shopify like Etsy, Amazon, or Temu? Not really. Those platforms are called marketplaces. That means lots of sellers are selling on the same site. And when someone's looking at your product, other products from different shops can pop up right below yours. Your competition is literally on the same screen. With Shopify, you don't have that problem. It's like having your own house versus renting a booth in a crowded market. On Shopify, it's your website, your products, your branding. No distractions, no competitors popping up next to your listings. You can recommend your own products, upsell items, and have full control. So, going back to the question, is Shopify for you as a starter? Yes, if you can catch the $1 promo. So they have a promotion ongoing right now, $1 per month for the first 3 months. That's super helpful. And I will leave the link in the description below, but do not sign up yet. You need to watch the whole video for you to understand if Shopify is for you or is it worth it to sign up now or maybe later. And bullet number 2, if Shopify is for you, if you already have your product photos, descriptions, pricing, and inventory ready, you're ready to promote your store through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any social media platforms. You can focus and commit to setting everything up and marketing it in those 3 months. Or if budget isn't a problem and you're happy to pay the regular monthly fee after that, $25 to $39 per month, depending on the plan, you could even use the first month to get everything prepared, then spend the next 2 months pushing hard on marketing. If you think you can dedicate that time, go for it. Shopify can help you grow fast and professionally. So, when is Shopify not for you? You know you won't have the time to list your products, set up your store, or market your brand within 3 months. You don't have a budget for the subscription after the $1 promo ends. You're still unsure of your products or not ready to run a business consistently. Because the truth is, starting a business takes time, energy, and planning, whether it's an art business or any kind of business. If you jump in without a plan, you're just going to drain your money and stress yourself out. Trust me, this happened to me. So be honest with yourself. If you're ready to go all in for at least 3 months to get started, Shopify is a powerful tool. If not, it's totally okay to wait until you are more prepared. And why would I choose Shopify compared to other platforms? The best reason to use Shopify to start your business is you can start small. You can start simple and unlock new features only when you're ready. My favorite thing about Shopify is that it handles everything in one place. So you can focus on selling. No need to juggle a bunch of different platforms and tools just to run your business. You don't need 100 apps to start, literally. And these core tools will get you from zero to sales smoothly. For marketing, which is very important because even if you have the nicest art, the nicest product photos, I mean, the best product out there, but nobody knows it exists, then it's useless. For email marketing, we have what we call the Shopify email, and it's totally free. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Pinterest, you can integrate these platforms to Shopify as well. And for SEO settings, it's built in as well. You can find it within Shopify to work on your SEO. You can also gather reviews from your customers. Customer review is very powerful. So, in case you didn't know, you can download one review app from Shopify, from the Shopify store, and it's totally free. Or you can even use judge.me. Judge.me is actually my favorite. So, when you visit a website and you see a pop up thing that says, grab your 10% discount, and then you input your email and you will get the discount in your email, something like that. That's what we call email collector app. Email marketing is a very powerful type of marketing. So, yeah, you can find and manage all this within Shopify. Again, you don't need 100 apps just to get started. I want you to know this, but I don't want you to focus on or worry about it yet. It's just something beneficial to know for later. If you're starting with selling online right now but plan to have a physical store later, Shopify can handle both, all in the same place. You don't need to create a new store or switch platforms. Whether you're selling online and shipping out your products or selling in a physical store where people can come to your shop and buy, everything is tracked and managed in your Shopify dashboard. That means you can see all your sales, inventory, orders, and customer information in one spot, no matter what type of product you are selling. It's perfect for anyone who wants to start small and grow their business over time. The key features is that it's a ready-to-go storefront. No need to know about coding. It has a built-in payment system like the Shopify payments. You can integrate your PayPal, Stripe, and other third-party payment provider. Inventory management, shipping, taxes, discount codes, all in one dashboard. Now, I'm not saying that Shopify collects and remits your taxes for you. You still have to do that, but you can manage it in one dashboard. App integrations and a mobile friendly and fast loading store designs that convert better. Shopify is the best when it comes to speed. And that's what you want because you don't want your customer leaving your website just because it's not loading and it's taking forever for them just to look at one product. All they want to do is to check out or check your product, but they can't even do that. You're turning your customers away. So, yeah, you definitely want a fast loading website. So, yeah, Shopify makes everything easy not only for you, but your customers too. It's designed for beginners, but powerful enough to grow with you as business scales. So, yeah, if you think you have what it takes to go for Shopify to get started with your business, I have a free PDF guide or profit calculator in the description that provides an overview of the pricing and explains how much of your money you can keep after paying all the fees. It provides a clear overview, but it's definitely not the most accurate as it still depends on your expenses. It also has a simple to do list for you to follow to help you get started with your business. Now, if you don't have any problem with budget and don't want to handle all the setup yourself, no worries. Just fill out the form in the description. I'd be happy to connect you with the trusted and reliable developers I personally recommend. And of course, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me keep making content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.